PW stock analysis and PW stock prediction. Is Power REIT stock a buy or not? This is Arca. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. 44% up. I mean, yeah. You see I have a line pointing towards the upside. It's just pure on the technicals. And honestly speaking, technicals do look very good. We started putting in some bullish price action, and I said, okay, we have the previous highs. Ideally, I just want to see the price still continue and take new highs higher. Now, I wouldn't be just randomly buying here because honestly speaking, I was kind of late in the prices right here. So if it goes lower, then I'm kind of speaking. But for right now, it just continues to take out the highs. That's completely fine with me. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's free as well. And please just do your own due diligence. You know, don't just randomly come up with stuff. It's all demo in simulated environment.